Building greener communities. Steps toward a sustainable future. The call for the development of new and greener communities is not just a phenomenon of fashion, but one for the future necessity. Some of how sustainability can be attained entails the integration of the green concept in urban design, construction, and the general lifestyle. The change towards sustainable communities can be outlined by the following strategies. Firstly, the aspect of sustainability within the planning of the cities is important. This translates to the development of better laid out urban centers with green areas, efficient transport systems, and neighborhoods that can be easily navigated on foot. These elements minimize the overall carbon emissions on the buildings and ensure that residents of the buildings adopt healthier lifestyles. Therefore, urban planners should design environments that promote active transport modes such as walking, cycling, and the use of public transit as opposed to private car-reliant spaces. Secondly, the strength of communities with green characteristics lies in energy efficiency. The management of emissions can be done through the incorporation of renewable energy sources in the energy grid like solar and wind energy. Besides, improving energy conservation in the buildings by the installation of proper insulation, energy-efficient appliances, and smart gadgets. Consumption of energy is also managed to some extent. Waste management is another essential factor that needs to be given focus as well as attention in the process of building and developing the business. Recycling, going for the compost, and avoiding the use of products that create polluted, single-use plastics can lower the amount of waste gathered in drive-through services. It is here that community programs that can inform and encourage residents to practice such methods can be of great help. Finally, the community has a great role to play in the success of these initiatives. While everyone has a role to play in these initiatives, the community has the biggest role to play. When residents are informed on sustainable means and ways through various programs and participation in activities supporting sustainability, they always work together to conserve the environment, working collectively while pursuing a common purpose to achieve a certain goal concerning the social entity, brings about the most effective and sustainable changes. In conclusion, the task of developing green communities involves sustainable management of resources in the context of urban growth, efficiency in the use of energy and waste management, and sustainable utilization of resources through engaging the communities. By implementing these habits, one can realize the creation of better and improved surroundings that will be healthier and more sustainable for the present alongside future generations.